Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget like, share and subscribe. And today we are going to do 10 moves for a flat belly in 7 minutes. Are you ready? Let's do it. Exercise number 1. High knee clap 50 times. Exercise number 2. Squats 50 times. I know it's so hard. Come on, you can do it, guys. Don't give up. Let's go. Exercise number 3. High knee tap 50 times. Exercise number 4. Skater lunge 50 times. Exercise number 5. Punch side to side 50 times. Exercise number 6. Cross crunch 50 times. Exercise number 7. Side crunch 50 times. Exercise number 8, crusty lunge, 50 times. So I did just 20. I was so tired that I couldn't do 50, but if you can do it, guys, just do it 50 times. Exercise number 9, isometric squats, sculpture push, 50 times. And again, I'm in Thailand. I was so hot and so sweaty and so tired, so I did just 20. But if you can do 50 times, go for it, please. Let's go, guys. This is exercise number 10. Lunge with arms extension, 50 times. Yeah, I know. I just did 20 because I was super tired. Hopefully I'll get stronger and you will get stronger and you can do it 50 times. I did it. One more workout done. One day at a time. Okay, I'm a little wet. I don't know if I'm wet because I worked out or because it's so hot and humid right now. And yeah. Let's go. We can start the day. See you later, alligators.